All right, team. Welcome to the laboratory. This is where a lot of the magic happens. Today we're talking about the seventh law of leadership, and so excited to be talking about this law of leadership. So excited to be going through this book study with you and with all the other champions who've been sharing. Thank you, Jim and Marcy, for selecting us to share here. And I'm just going to jump right into it. The seventh law is the law of respect. And I'll just lay a little bit of foundation here, in that the law of respect just says that leaders will, or people will naturally follow leaders who are stronger than them. And if you are at a leadership level of a six, you're obviously, or you're naturally just going to look for a seven or eight or a nine or 10 to follow, right? You won't really follow somebody who is at a lower leadership level than you. And your team won't follow you if you're at a lower leadership level than them, with a couple of exceptions. And occasionally, a strong leader may choose someone weaker to follow, and that'll happen in a case where there's the chain of command, or they just have a lot of respect for the position or the title that that person has. But for the most part, you need to have a higher leadership level than your team. And if you've ever been, this is an example from the book, if you've ever been in a crowd of people, and in that crowd someone just kind of speaks up, and a lot of times leaders will just naturally speak up and take control of something, but after a certain amount of time you kind of know who the stronger leaders are in the group, and everybody in that group will just kind of fall in line behind whoever has the strongest leadership level. You can see that happen in kids. I experienced that in my MBA, my graduate school cohort, and you just see it happen repeatedly over and over again. So it's all about the law of respect. Now, if you're sitting here and you're thinking to yourself, and excuse me if you guys are getting a little shine, that's all right. This is a fresh cut. But if you're sitting there thinking to yourself, well, my level of leadership is pretty low right now, and how will I ever be able to lead a team of people who have a higher leadership level than me? Well, it's all about increasing your level of leadership, right? Increasing your respect. And there's a couple of ways that John Maxwell says you can gain others' respect. And I'm broken this out, and if you follow the book, I'm going to go in a slightly different order than what's in the book, but I'll explain why. And one of the first ways, the first of the six, is through a natural leadership ability. And I put that first because some people just naturally have more leadership ability than others, right? Not all leaders are created equal. That doesn't mean you can't grow your leadership. That just means some others have natural leadership ability. The nice part is that there's a lot of skills that go into leadership, and skills are things that anybody can develop. So the next one that I wanted to mention was success, right? So when leaders succeed in helping team members or in leading a team, that just instills confidence, right, in you and your leadership, or in whoever that leader is. So in the world of AdvoCare, if you've helped somebody hit a rookie bonus, celebrate that, right? Boast, maybe not boast too much about it, but don't hide it, right? Share that with other people. I've helped someone else do that, and I can help you too. If you've hit a rookie bonus yourself, there's success. I've done this, and I can help someone else do that. If you've helped someone advance a pen level, that is success. And you can celebrate little measures of success along the way. Let's say you're just now getting started and you're a team of one. Well, you know what? If you get a distributor, that's success. If you help somebody lose weight on the 24-day challenge, or get great results on products, or any of those things, then that is success. Celebrate that success, right? And when you celebrate that success, people will follow you. The next ones that I'll talk about are courage and loyalty. And I wanted to group those together because, you know, they don't take skill, right? You don't have to have had some great amount of success. You don't have to have natural leadership ability to have courage and loyalty, right? That's just what you're made of inside, and that's a decision. So courage, and let's just be honest, sometimes it's scary, and AdvoCare is all about, or personal growth is all about getting out of your comfort zone. So the more often you show the courage of getting out of your comfort zone, and you do it repeatedly, then you're setting a standard and you are leading the way for your team and for people on your team. And then loyalty. Loyalty is pretty basic. You know, are you going to be loyal to the people on your team? If someone comes to you and they entrust in you to help them through products, they entrust in you to help show them a way through the success system and through Advocare, then are you going to be loyal enough? Are you going to take that obligation seriously and stick with them through thick and thin? Okay. And then the next one, and I finish with this one because in my opinion it's probably the most important. I don't know how you level, how you decide which one's the most important, but value added to others, right? So if you want to increase your level of respect, add value to other people's lives. And so many times this can feel like I'm going to go talk to someone because I want them to join my team. I want to go talk to someone because I want them to join product, as opposed to, and that's like seeing dollar signs on your friends. You don't want to do that because people can tell. But if you come with the heart of helping others and you really want to add value and you separate yourself from the outcome, you say, you know what, if you join our team or not, I'm really here to help you. I'm here to help you get whatever it is that you want out of this. And if you want X number of dollars per month, then there's a plan to help you do that. If you want to improve whatever level of health, then there's a plan to help you do that. And that's my goal, is to help you get whatever it is you want out of this venture, right? Out of Advocare, out of anything. So with that, that's the law of respect. I love this book. I've gone through it about 2 or 3 times, and every time I go through it, it's just like another little light bulb goes off. So the law of respect is awesome. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this, and have a great Monday and a great week. You're a champion.